In this video, I'll show you how to change the password of your TikTok account. Whether you're looking to keep your account more secure or just want to change things up, I'll walk you through the process step by step. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to learn how. To get started, open up the TikTok app and tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you are on your TikTok profile, tap on these three lines at the top right corner of the screen. And then tap on Settings and Privacy. After that, tap on the very first option, Account. And you'll notice that the second option is Password. Just tap on that. So if you signed up for TikTok using an email address, this will send a 6-digit code to the email address associated with your TikTok account. But if you signed up using your mobile number, this will send that 6-digit code to your mobile number that's associated with your TikTok account. So, depending on how you created your TikTok account, find that 6-digit code and type it in here. I created mine with an email address so that the 6-digit code will be in the inbox of the Gmail app. Once you type that code in, you will have the ability to change your TikTok password. So go ahead and type in your password. It should be at least 8 characters long and have 1 letter, 1 number, and 1 special character. After you've entered your new password, simply tap Next. And now you have successfully changed the password for your TikTok account. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.